All right, we got 16 pounds of 80/20 hamburger meat, 2 pounds of cheddar cheese, 2 pounds of bacon, a 3-pound homemade bun, and various condiments. This is either gonna be the biggest Weber burger of all time or the biggest Weber burger fail of all time. Either way, it's gonna be fun. Okay guys, I'm so excited about this video. Got somebody to introduce you guys to. You guys know him. He was in my last video. We do a lot of stuff together. How you doing, Justin? I'm good, man.
Good to be here, bro.
This is T-Roy Cooks. If for some reason you haven't checked out his channel, go check that out. Okay, so this video was totally and completely inspired by Christy's cooking channel.
Great guy. Y'all go check her out, man.
Definitely. So she did a video last year where she cooked a 10-pound burger, and I loved it. And so basically, we're gonna redo that recipe, and we're going to, of course, do it bigger and better. We're gonna do a 20-pound burger.
That's how guys do things.
Yeah, I mean, can't get beat by a girl.
Yeah.
So, anyways, we're gonna do that, and
Love you, Christy.
definitely, definitely. So I went through the ingredients earlier. We're going to do, we're gonna use these as burger presses. I don't know, some of you guys might be familiar with what a burger press is. This is a 1/2-pound burger press, but these are big burgers.
That ain't gonna work.
That's not gonna work. So I've got 12-inch springform pans, 2 of them. So it's gonna be a double-decker burger, just to give you a sense of the size difference, but we gotta fit a lot of meat in here.
It's gonna be a big burger.
It is, it is. We're gonna use Susie Q's seasoning, Samaria seasoning. I got a lot of this. It's really good. You guys
Salt,
should check
pepper,
that out.
garlic, onion.
Yep.
All
Basic.
right.
There's no onion, I don't think, but salt, pepper, garlic.
SPG.
SPG, basically.
Gotta love it.
Basically, there is sugar in it though, so be careful you don't burn.
Oh yeah, I remember that video you did.
And then we're gonna use a bun that my wife, Mommy Maniac,
Mama
made that.
Maniac,
She
yeah.
made that last night, and so it's actually enormous. It weighs like 3 pounds. I think I just showed you that.
Yeah.
So I'll put the recipe to that below.
Along with Christy's channel?
Along with Christy's channel, along with your channel, and everything we use today. I'll put links to that below in the toilet paper store. And
This is gonna be epic, folks.
this is gonna be a lot of fun.
It's gonna be great. I appreciate you having me over to
Hey,
do this
thanks for
with you.
driving up. I appreciate it.
Sure, man.
All right, bye. Bye. So like I said before, we're using the 26-inch kettle, which is bigger than the standard size, just slightly bigger. In fact, I wanna show you the difference here. Troy, will you pull that up?
Yeah, you bet.
Okay, I've got my lovely assistant, Troy, helping me out. So he's got the cooking grate to the standard kettle that most people are familiar with. I just wanna show, that is a big difference. So I just wanna point out that extra little 4 inches makes a difference of about 150 square inches of cooking space. That's really helpful on big cooks. Also, I wanna point out that, what size kettle do you have?
I only got the 22 in.
You only have the 22, so I have the 26?
Yeah.
So mine's bigger?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. I got what I need, thanks.
It's so much fun doing videos with you.
Hey guys, look who showed up.
How's it going?
This is Kenneth Cunningham from, what's the name of your channel?
What's New Barbecue.
What's New Barbecue, check it out. We've already put him to work. What you doing here, man?
I am just making sure we get this ground beef in this big pan here. Make sure we got a good smooth surface mixed in with that Santa Maria style seasoning. We want to make sure that we get all that flavor throughout this big patty. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just making sure we get a clean surface throughout the whole top so we get an even cook while we're making these burgers.
Okay, so the guys are outside. We had this crazy idea. We're gonna try to bring in Christy on FaceTime with the iPad here. Hopefully this works. We'll see. We're gonna give this a shot. Hang with me for just a second.
Hey y'all.
Hey Christy, how you doing?
How's it going?
I'm alright, how are y'all?
Good, I got Troy over here outside of the frame. He'll come back in here. I got Kenneth here. We're okay, like I told you, we're copying your burger video. And what we were thinking is, we're about ready to put it on the grill. We want to get your opinion on it and see what you thought.
Okay.
All right, Christy, here's those burgers. What do you think? What do you think?
Wow, those really are big.
So Christy, you think we got you beat, girl?
I don't know. I mean, it took 3 of y'all to make those. It only took 1 of me to make mine, so.
Oh, come on. Cut us a break.
All right.
Still love you, Christy.
We do. Thanks for being in my video.
Oh, thank you so much for having me.
All right, we'll catch you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, guys. Christy's taking this really seriously. I think we should too. Time to suit up.
So Justin, why are we doing this?
I'm pretty sure this is the source of her power.
Where's Troy?
Hey, guy. You think I got this on right?
Nailed it.
All right, guys, we're about, I don't know, an hour into this cook. I don't know if you can hear that, but we were sitting out here hanging out, and all of a sudden the tornado alarm started going off. So we're gonna go inside. What do you guys think? You guys think we should go inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna take cover here. Let this pass. I'm gonna wish you good luck, Mr. Griddle here.
Stay safe.
Stay safe. We'll see you on the flip side.
That's the way the cookie crumbles in Texas.
But we're still cooking.
We're still cooking. Whoever's still doing his thing over there.
And we're definitely not looking while we're cooking.
No. We're taking cover while we're cooking.
Got the cherry wood smoking. We're doing good, man. It's gonna be great.
It actually does smell really nice.
It does.
That was fun.
Yeah.
I'm glad we lived through that together. Yeah.
I'm glad you remembered to get your camera back out and take some footage of this.
Remember, you told me.
That's why I'm here, man.
All right, guys, so we just lived through like the worst storm ever.
Totally bad, man.
Texas
That was
weather.
epic. It was amazing. We figure at this point, Nothing can stop us.
Yeah, you can see the wind is still blowing pretty strong over here. It's cold.
It's cold. It's cold and it's dark out. Can they see you? Excuse me. It's cold and it's dark out, but you know it's actually only 8:15, which means this has been cooking for three and a half hours, something like that.
Yeah, basic. Let's go with that.
Yeah.
In that area.
Yeah. It's at 157 internal, so we're gonna pull it off. I'm gonna jump behind the camera here.
Okay.
We'll take a look at what we got.
Let's do it.
Woo, that looks good.
Golly, that smell.
That smells fantastic. It really smells like bacon.
That smells
like
really
brisket.
good.
Like
It smells like
color.
brisket too. Yeah, you're right.
The color is amazing.
That smoke though, man.
The
I love
aroma
that.
is great.
So we use cherry wood on this, and I think that's probably contributing to the color here. We got a lot of grease. We use 80-20, and that's probably the reason why. We're also using springform pans, and we didn't get a chance to. We would have taken them off, but we didn't get a chance to because
The storm.
because of the tornadoes.
Texas weather.
So tornadoes trump springform pans.
Definitely.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do, Kenneth, see if we can get some of the grease out of this.
Yeah, definitely. We're just gonna get some of this grease out of here before we remove the patties themselves, just to make it a little bit more easy on us. And we wanted to show y'all that there is possibly gonna be some grease buildup, depending on, like Justin mentioned, what kind of ground beef you use.
Yeah. So we'll get that cleaned up, and we'll take these springform pans off, and we'll be right back. This is ridiculous. What do you guys think?
It's huge.
It's crazy. It's a
Ridiculous
crazy.
is only one word that comes to mind.
I think we got Christy beat on this one.
I think we do too. Christy, thank you so much for the inspiration. Y'all go check out her channel. Once again, it's in the description box. This is T. Roy Cooks. He's in the description box. This is What's New Barbecue. His name's Kenneth. Y'all go check that out. Now let's take a look at this burger. This is the biggest burger I've ever seen in my life by a long shot.
Entire life.
Yeah.
Yeah. I am so proud of this.
Don't cry. Don't cry.
I might.
A little burger.
I
baby.
might. Yeah. All right.
A lot of effort went into this.
Yeah. Yeah. It took a long time, but we did the whole thing in the Weber kettle
Yep.
the entire time. Turned out great.
It
It
did.
really did.
Yeah. Should we chop into this?
Let's go for it,
We
man.
should.
Okay. I'm so nervous.
Do the honors, man. Let's show them what it looked like.
I don't know if this knife is big enough. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Well,
This
just
is
kinda-
crazy.
Yeah, it's as tall as it is round. It's crazy.
All right. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
You can do it.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here we go.
Do I need to hold something?
Maybe. Oh my gosh, this is like a Scooby-Doo burger, you know, when they like eat it in the cartoon and it goes in the throat.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is crazy.
That's crazy.
Is insane.
Yeah, I think I need a bigger knife.
I agree. I agree.
Woo! Doggy.
Golly.
Holy moly! I'll hand this side right here.
You got that side?
I got
Did
this
I go
side.
through on the other side? Can you see all the way down?
Almost
I'm
all
gonna
the
go
way
back.
through. There you
there
go.
we go.
There you go.
All right, let's open it up.
All right.
Point it towards that camera
All
right
right. There we go. Oh man, that's big. Oh. Look at that smoke ring, folks.
Wow.
That's amazing. Check that out, Ken.
there. That's
Oh, man.
nuts.
That is insane.
That is so cool. Nice smoke ring in there.
Wow. Yeah, that was definitely a success so far. You know, the
cheese
test
in there.
is the taste.
Oh yeah, baby.
How are we gonna taste this?
Little bites.
Little bites. All right. I don't even know what to do. It does have a smoke ring.
I know, it's cool, isn't
It
it?
really does.
That's cool.
We have some lettuce and tomato here, so it's healthy.
Our veggies.
Yeah, our veggies. Okay.
Yeah, veggies.
I'm just gonna chop.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just cut off a little piece here. All right. And here's Kenneth. This is yours.
Holy moly.
Oh, there you go.
Oh yeah.
Gosh.
That's the one.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Troy will get you a little piece.
Okay.
Let me see here.
My head.
Holy man.
All right.
Goodness gracious.
There you go. Bud. Oh. There you go.
I got it.
Okay.
I got it.
And then all.
Smells insane.
right.
Good.
Oh my gosh.
Let me get in here. All right.
Oh man.
Okay. You guys good?
Oh yeah, we're good.
All right. We good?
We good.
We gonna try to do this all at once? I don't even know where to bite.
I don't either.
All right. Ready? One,
Yeah, okay.
2, 3, go. You know, it's pretty good.
That's really good. It's
No
got a
kidding.
really good smoke flavor all the way through. That is awesome.
I didn't expect it to taste as good. I really didn't.
Yeah.
Look, yeah,
Wow.
you can really taste the smoke. You're right.
Yeah, that's
Oh, gosh.
lots of flavor. You think you would lose it with all this stuff in between the bun, but every single bit of it has flavor.
You kind of have to plan your approach. You can't eat like a squirrel. Just
I like the
Strategy.
I like that smoke flavor in it too.
Yeah.
Smoke flavor.
I haven't even got it.
Cherry wood, right?
Yeah, cherry wood. Yeah, I'm gonna try some of the bacon.
Oh man, the bacon's
Bacon's-
awesome. The bacon is awesome.
Good, man.
Now we use the thick cut bacon.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do I have my beard full of mayonnaise?
Yeah, you do. As a matter of fact, that's some.
Just a small bit.
Gosh, man.
Wow.
All right.
The flavor's all there.
Breakfast of champions.
Cheers.
Cheers. We're good, man. Oh man.
Wow.
That's good. Oh.
All right, guys, check out these guys' channels. Dropped it. If you get a chance, please subscribe. We'll do more crazy crap like this. Guys, thanks for being on the channel.
Thanks
Thank
for
you.
having me.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.
See y'all.
Cheers.
Dang, dude.
Man, it's good, man.
Oh, God.
This is really good.
Really good.